मैंने धीरे 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 कुछ स्पेसेस ढूंढनी शुरू करी जहां पर आई कुड स्प्रिंकल सम ह्यूमर। और आदित्य के साथ बैठकर जब भी हमने एज वी स्टार्टेड शूटिंग तो मैं बोलता कि हालांकि इन द बिगनिंग ही वाज अ बिग रिलक्टेंट कि नहीं नहीं राकेश जी ऐसा मत कीजिए। मैंने कहा नहीं एक बार करने दे यार, थोड़ा बहुत करने दे। यू नो वो जो आपने देखा होगा वो टीजर में था एक ऐसे हाथ मारने वाला, वो भी पहले उसने बोला मत करो। मैंने कहा नहीं यार प्लीज करने दे यार प्लीज, लोग बहुत एंजॉय करेंगे उसको। और वो हुआ एंड धीरे धीरे वेल एंड my journey with him started from Uri with a very small role and I've come a long way with this film. और मैं इतना कहूँगा इस फिल्म के बारे में कि आपने जो भी अभी इस पर्दे पर देखा है, पिछले 2 बार आपने देखा है, वो लिटरली ट्रेलर ही था। फिल्म तो अभी बाकी है दोस्तों।
राकेश सर क्या बात है। Now it's over to Arjun bhai. Ladies and gentlemen, Arjun Rampal.
Hey!
जिनसे उचित दूरी बनाई रखनी होगी हम सबको। Whatever we saw on that big screen is fabulous. फाड़ू है वो एकदम। Talk to us about that scene when that was explained to you, please. जिससे ये सब शुरू होता है। What did Aditya sir tell you? How was it? And the complexities. Talk to us about that.
Firstly, good morning, everybody. Wonderful to see all of you here, and thank you all for coming. मैं ज़्यादा सीन के बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहता because I'll tell you what. प्रोसेस के बारे में बात करना, सीन के बारे में बात करना, डायरेक्टर और एक्टर क्या सोच रहे थे, जब मैं ये सब बातें करने लगता हूँ तो और अपने आप को सुनता हूँ तो मुझे खुद मैं अपने आप को बोरिंग महसूस करता हूँ मैं, तो वो नहीं करूँगा। बट टुडे इज़ अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल डे। इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल डे क्योंकि अ वेरी स्पेशल फिल्म हैज़ बीन मेड एंड दैट इज़ दिस फिल्म धुरंधर। थैंक्स टू दिस मैन आदित्य धर। वो पेपर पे जब उन्होंने ये स्क्रिप्ट सुनाई थी, इतनी एम्बिशियस फिल्म को बैक करने के लिए यू नीडेड समबडी लाइक अ ज्योति एंड अ जियो, एंड विदाउट दैट नन ऑफ अस वुड बी हियर स्टैंडिंग हियर, ओके। एंड जो भी लोग जुड़े हैं इस फिल्म के साथ, मैं आज उन सब का गुजार हूँ और शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा उन सब लोगों को, फ्रॉम द हेयर मेकअप टीम, कॉस्ट्यूम टीम, art department team, cinematography team, okay, the music team, all the actors. Aditya has made us look so ugly in this movie. Thank you so much. कि कोई हमें पहचानेगा ही नहीं,
the most handsome on set.
because he wanted to look the most handsome on set. But the process all of us had to take. Everybody had to bring their AAA game to this film. And Ranveer, what he did for 2 years, I've seen this man. I mean, wow. I have seen him. I'm so proud of him because it's not easy. What he did. I did not see Ranveer even once in the frame. It was always Hamza. And that was incredible. Okay, Maddie, this is the first time I'm working with him. Unfortunately, we don't have any scenes together. But I remember the first day I went to Dhurandhar set was in Bangkok. और बारिश हो रही थी बाहर, और मैडी वॉज शूटिंग और मैं गया, मैं बोला ये कौन है एक्टर यार, कमाल का एक्टर है, बड़े अच्छे से डायलॉग वगैरह दे रहा है।
मुकेश ने बड़ी अच्छी कास्टिंग करी है इस बार।
मुकेश ने तो कमाल की कास्टिंग कर दी है, ओके। एंड इट वाज मैडी, आई डिडंट रिकॉग्नाइज हिम, ही इज फिनोमिनल, ओके, इन द फिल्म। मेरे 2 भाई अक्षय और संजू सर, उन दोनों का वीज़ा नहीं लगा तो वो नहीं आ पाए आज, बट आई मिस देम। And Akshay is absolutely mad in the movie. Sanju sir is phenomenal. Okay, Rakesh sir, you have been brilliant. Sarah, you've had the best launch. And if I'm missing out anybody, I'm really, really sorry. But really, I want to thank this whole team for giving us something very, very special. Thank you, Aditya. Thank you, Jyoti, once again.
Thank you so much.
This movie is a movie which is going to go on timelessly for ages. हम चले जाएंगे, ये पिक्चर रहेगी।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, R. Madhavan. Maddie sir, this one's for you. You know, how did it all happen for you? Because this is like, this is something, this is a mastermind. This is not traditional heroism, right? It's more cerebral. वो सोच रहा है, वो कुछ strategy बनाता है. So for you, how was that, first of all, your approach toward for that character? And at the same time, जैसे अर्जुन सर ने बताया कि when he saw you for the first time, it was like, ये कौन actor है यार? आपके लिए वो stand out moment क्या था इस पूरे film के दौरान?
Hey, I love you right back. Very good afternoon, guys. Thank you. बहुत सारे चीज़ों के बारे में मैं नहीं बात करना चाहता क्योंकि अभी हमारी फिल्म आनी बाकी है और मैं सिर्फ ये कहूँगा कि जिस दिन आदित्य मुझसे मिलने आए थे किसी और फिल्म की शूटिंग पे और बहुत जल्दी में आए थे कि मुझे एक नरेशन देना है, आपसे बात करनी है, और मैंने इनके बातों को सुनी और रिसर्च मैंने सुनी थी ना, तो मुझे लगा कि ये आदमी कहाँ था अब तक यार, ये नेशनल अवार्ड विनर तो है पर ये कहाँ था, क्योंकि मेरे सौभाग्य में ये रहा है कि मैं बहुत ऐतिहासिक फिल्मों का हिस्सा रहा हूँ, बना नहीं लेकिन हिस्सा ज़रूर रहा हूँ, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि सबसे ऐतिहासिक ये होने वाली है क्योंकि इस फिल्म जब रिलीज होगी तो एक जॉनर ऑफ फिल्म मेकिंग मुझे लगता है इंडियन सिनेमा में ख़त्म हो जाएगा। और मैं ये इसलिए कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि जब मैं लुक टेस्ट कर रहा था इस लुक के लिए तो हम काफ़ी देर तक लगे हुए थे, कुछ 3.5-4 घंटे लगते थे उस लुक में आने के लिए, और फिर मैं अपने आप को देख रहा था और हमें लग रहा था कि एक चीज़ कुछ मिसिंग है, एक चीज़, बस एक चीज़ मिसिंग है जिसकी वजह से एक सिमिलैरिटी जो हमें चाहिए थे वो मिल नहीं रहा था। और फिर आदित्य ने आके कहा कि मैडी अपनी होंठ पतले कर लो, उन्हें कहा कि होंठ पतले कर लो, तो पूरे फिल्म में मैंने ये होंठ पतले कर, और फिर जो रिजेम्बलेंस आई है एक छोटी सी वजह से वो पूरा चेंज हो गया। एंड फिर मैंने रियलाइज किया कि मैं महारथी हूँ, नहीं मैं धुरंधरों के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ सारे के सारे। एंड फॉर मी इट हैज बीन अ कंप्लीट ऑनर, privilege, and if I may say, shitting in my pant moment, because each one of them is such an extraordinary actor. You have to be very careful about not letting your balls down, you know, and literally the word, you know, you have to play the game. And for me, I have to thank Mukesh Chhabra for having the vision, and Aditya Dhar for casting me, and Lokesh for making it happen, and to this rocket over here, who's standing behind like a tycoon behind, or like a typhoon behind all of us. But like I said, we will say all the thank yous and all the gratitudes once the film is released. We'll get many opportunities, I'm sure, for parties like this. But I have to tell you, it's been a complete privilege to work with all my brothers here who are darlings, and to this super rock star who has invested not just his time, dedication, life. I can't tell you all that he's invested, but I'm going to tell you, Ranveer, this is going to be the biggest payback of your life, bro.
We love you, Maddie, sir. Thank you so much for sharing all of that. जोरदार तालियां अब Maddie sir के साथ-साथ, ladies and gentlemen, जो कदम रख रही हैं फिल्मी दुनिया में इसके साथ, इस बहुत ही, you know, beast kind of movie के साथ, Sara Arjun. Give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen. Sara, welcome. How was it to be a part of this utter madness that we saw on the big screen? ये regular नहीं है, ये हम हर बार मतलब देखने को नहीं मिलता है. This is madness. Being a part of this with these wonderful people. Talk to us about it.
Hello. Sorry. It was an absolute blessing to be a part of this madness, and I think it's every artist's dream to work with. These are some of the most versatile actors in our country, and yeah, I mean, I've dreamt of this my whole life, but now that it's all really happening, I keep sitting with my parents and I'm like, please pinch me, because it's बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, and but yeah, I just want to thank Mukesh sir, Aditya sir, Lokesh sir, and you for giving me this chance, and everybody has just been so good to me, and yeah, जो भी हो रहा है बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है.
I want to say that she packs a punch in the film and she holds her own, and अच्छे से she's also one of the dhurandhars in the film.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
See, there were almost Mukesh had done almost 1,300 auditions. and she was the one she was brilliant. She was the best in those auditions.
Wow, wow. That says a
she's-
lot about you, Sara.
Yeah. She's gonna be a rock star.
Thank you so much for sharing that. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं यार, बनती हैं. I know, क्योंकि अब जो आ रहे हैं ना वो जहाँ खड़े हो जाते हैं वही सेंटर स्टेज बन जाता है ना? I know. I'll be talking to him now. Ladies and gentlemen, Dhurandhar Ranveer Singh. You know, hey, I've said it every single time, but आज मैं और conviction के साथ बोल रहा हूँ, ये जो raw, unapologetic Indian अवतार जो आपका देखने को मिला है, it's definitely gonna take our Indian film industry वो global map पे थोड़ा और ऊपर. How does it feel to be a part of this and doing this on that big screen, Ranveer?
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद नितिन. You are my lucky charm. Thank you for doing this for us and thank you for being here. Thank you everybody for joining us on this special occasion. All our love and gratitude. Thank you ma'am for creating this grand and glorious launch for what is an insane trailer. That's the first time I'm seeing it. मैं भी पहली बार देख रहा हूँ. मेरे को भाई साहब ये क्या था? So it was really something. I'm very proud to be a part of this movie. Like Arjun sir said, it's not nice to talk about your process and whatnot. It kind of, I feel, takes the magic away. But I'm so happy that I got to be a part of something where we're trying to push for something more. You know, take our cinema to the world. I feel like it's India's moment on the world stage, and we want to be at the center of it and represent Indian cinema on the global stage. You know, it's a complex, layered story with such technical finesse and execution कि आपके होश उड़ जाएंगे. I have to compliment the team, Mr. Vikash Naulakha, our DOP, who's not here today, who's created a visual world that's unlike any other and at par with any movie in the world. जब सर ने मेरे को ये कहानी सुनाई, मैं तो हक्का बक्का रह गया. मैं बस सर ऐसे होता है. like हाँ बेटा, ऐसा भी होता है. It is the most, as the slate says, incredible true story. आपके होश उड़ जाएंगे. And it's engaging, gripping, tense and entertaining throughout. And what I love about it, it's most rare quality. That's massy without trying to be massy. It is pitch perfect, sir, the way you pitched it. It is absolutely impeccably credible, yet absolutely commercial. It is that sweet spot that we always aspire for in commercial cinema. I'm so proud to be a part of it. What can I say about the team that's worked on it? Mukesh sir, Sashwat, who's in a very rich vein of form, I have to say. They're all here today. I'm missing them. And my gratitude to the team. Guys, sorry for pakawing you with all those motivational speeches on set, but we were really trying to push. There they are. My beautiful team, our beautiful team. I would always like get on the mic and give all these motivational speeches. Chalo yaar, is baar kuch karna hai, kuch bada karna hai, gadar machana hai is baar. And of course, the incredible cast, starting with Rakesh sir. Sir, I've watched you ever since I was a little kid, in every medium, on stage, on television, in film. And I'm so proud to be sharing the screen space with you in a film like this. Ladies and gentlemen, a man who's an institution in himself. Wow. We are so proud to say that after 49 years of a glorious acting career, I promise you this is one of his most standout performances.
लेकिन अगले साल से मेरा फिर से पहला साल शुरू हो रहा है.
Ah, sir. Thank you, guys. And you know, the thing is, and this is for all our cinephiles, it is very easy to tell a complex and layered story when you have an anchor of entertainment like Rakesh sir. You know, you can tell the story, an incredible story, whilst the audience is thoroughly entertained throughout. Maddie sir, I've seen your work growing up right from the TVS Scooty ad. You know, I can hardly believe that I'm in a movie with you. You're an absolute masterclass, sir. Thank you for all the generosity that you showed towards me and your kind words. You know, there's his performances in Mani sir's cinema. You know, those are the performances that you show, you tell the world, ये ऐसे हमारे देश में भी ऐसे actor होते हैं. You are an absolute genius of an actor, sir. Thank you so much for gracing us with your talent in this film, sir. You really killed it. And teaser level पे आपने देखा था जब teaser निकला था सब देख रहे हैं and feedback यही था यार मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था ये माधवन सर है उनका नाम आता है तो पता चलता अरे ये माधवन सर है क्या look है and it's not easy 3-4 hours in prosthetics but sir what a performance I can't wait for the world to see it. Arjun sir, that was very very kind of you to say. I was very very touched by what you said. आपको पता है मैं थोड़े से funny tales बताऊंगा. ये Arjun sir is known to be the most good looking man on earth. Okay? But of late people are now understanding his depth and range as an actor, and this look is his presentation. I don't know how you thought of taking him and making him into this absolute monster, sir. वो हमारे सेट पे ना लड़के बोला हाय अर्जुन, मैंने बोला तुमको ऐसे लुक में भी ये हॉट लगते हैं, बोला हाय अर्जुन रामपाल है यार. But yeah, sir, the acting has just been absolute aces. But more than anything, sir, thank you for uplifting me on set. You know, बहुत मुश्किल था जैसे कि उन्होंने mention किया. चोट लग जाती थी, गिरते थे, पड़ते थे, खून पसीना लगाते थे. कभी कभी सर भी ट्रिप करके गिर जाते थे, माथे पे लग जाता था, वो ऐसे उठ के कुछ नहीं चलो. You know, he was just an absolute beast, and we are so honored to have you as part of this ensemble, sir. Thank you for everything. Sara, I can't believe we're here on this stage. What a special moment for you. I'm honored to be part of it. I'm lucky to be part of such a special moment for you. Sara here is a prodigy. आपको पता चलेगा कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, मतलब बचपन से ही आपको पता है कि they are just like a child prodigy. Like एक बार डकोटा फैनिंग आई थी हॉलीवुड में. I think Sara, it's testament to the fact that you beat thousands of other candidates to land this part, and it's as if you were born to do this. ऐसे लगता है ये 50 फिल्म करके आई हैं. She is so precocious as a person, as a performer. You are one of the finest actors that I have shared screen with. You make me look better, and my heartfelt gratitude for that. I just can't believe that it's your first film. Obviously, you know, somebody who I love and respect a lot, Mr. Mani Ratnam, sir, you've acted in his films as well, and you've showed your potential, and this is when the world will see you on the big stage, and I'm really, really happy, and I'm very, very proud of you. Thank you, Sara. Ma'am, आपके बारे में क्या बोलेंगे? हमारी adult rated film है. जो भाषा मैं आपके लिए यूज करना चाहता हूँ वो मैं शायद इस स्टेज को शोभा नहीं देगा. आज बड़ा फॉर्मल सा इवेंट है, बट आप so, you are an absolute beast, ma'am. It really takes conviction of another level to back something like this, a vision like this. And जब आप कुछ बहुत ही बड़ा करने जा रहे हैं लाइफ में, the process can never be easy. Every step of the way we would face challenges, and we could fall back on the backing of Jyoti Deshpande. Every pore of mine is grateful towards you for backing this, for mounting it, and for giving it everything that it needed to become what it is. Thank you so much, ma'am. And finally, the man, the visionary. इनके बारे में मैं कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहूँगा. जब आप पिक्चर देखेंगे, आप खुद महसूस करेंगे ये क्या चीज़ है. When he made Uri, he burst onto the scene like an absolute explosion. And it's been so many years. How many years, sir? You're back on screen?
7.
After 7 years, sir is making a film. And he's absolutely unflinching, absolutely uncompromising in his vision, in his execution. He's never settles for anything other than what he's dreamed up. I doff my hat to you, sir. The amount of work you've put in over the past 2 years. First of all, when we first engaged, I was shocked that you were even making something like this. And he was like, यार करना है यार, दिखाना है दुनिया को कि हम कौन हैं. You know, he assumes the responsibility of Indian cinema, and that's why he's a champion, and you will see it on December 5th. What he's created is an absolutely unprecedented work of cinema, and I'm really happy and really proud that you made me a part of it. Thank you, sir. और हमारे करता धरता, the man who made it all possible, put it all together and made sure that everybody put their best foot forward. We used to always say, if everybody here, and we had it's a big film, we had many people working on it, so many people. If everybody puts their best foot forward, everybody gives more than 100% because this is a team sport. You see what will happen. And honestly, picture ka jo bhi ho, I feel like I've already won. Just being a part of this, going through this, the past 2 years, what we've created, I feel extremely blessed and extremely grateful. Thank you all. I hope you enjoyed the trailer. घर जाके YouTube पे भी देखना और December 5th को come and feel and experience this on the big screen. Thank you so much.
Well, that was beautiful, ladies and